Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Here you have best investment for summer camp 60 hours drones and diversion. Also you have free drone for 3 volume books. The location is Tirumantiram. It is a better opportunity for your children and also you. It is a recognized company under government only. It is recognized under Startup India Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Outcome of the program, you will get a merit certificate and also technology to be used for safeguarding heritage. Total duration 60 hours, investment 1800 only. Hands-on training in drones by team NCS. Cost is only just 1800. Merit student will be invited to Samudra Arati in Kanyakumari along with parents. Join as trainer for your location with good salary. You already mentioned bank account number and also Google Pay, Phone Pay number also. You have any doubt, directly call to contact number and also you can send a directly mail. Here it is the best opportunity for investment. What are the benefits of summer camp? Campers obtain the life skills needed. Camp educates the whole child. Camp allows kids to unplug from technology. Plenty of time for play. Children can reinvent themselves. Campus promotes independence and also repair, reuse, refuse, recycle, rethink, reduce. All the best friends, share to your friends. All the best friends, share to your friends and also colleagues. It is a better opportunity in Tamil Nadu. For more updates, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends.